Tangerine Money Back Credit Card App. The pros, the cons. If you're looking for a simple way to manage your Tangerine Money Back credit card, the official app claims to make tracking spending and rewards effortless, but how effective is it? One of the biggest pros is rewards management. Most people get this wrong by thinking cashback tracking is complicated. With the app, you can see exactly how much you've earned in real time, assign categories, and even change your monthly cashback categories with ease. Transaction tracking is clear and intuitive, so you can monitor your spending without digging through statements. Convenience is another strength. The app lets you pay your bill, set up automatic payments, and receive notifications for due dates or suspicious activity. It also integrates with mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, so managing purchases is seamless. However, there are cons. Some users experience occasional login issues or slow load times. Advanced budgeting features are limited, so if you want a full financial overview, you may need another tool. The app also lacks detailed spending insights that some competitors offer. In conclusion, the Tangerine Money Back Credit Card app is ideal for users who want simple, clear, and efficient management of their card and rewards. The surprising truth is that while it covers all the basics well, it's not a replacement for a full financial planning app. For anyone focused on tracking cashback, paying bills, and staying on top of card activity, this app delivers convenience and clarity. Knowing its limits ensures you can use it effectively without missing out on the rewards.